Hello and welcome to Baking on a Budget. Now this time what we have is a very simple recipe. This is a pound cake. Pound cake is an ancient recipe. It's been altered a little bit over the years. We don't actually use a pound of flour and a pound of all of the other ingredients anymore. Smaller quantities, but an absolutely delicious cake. Very simple to make. I have everything we need to make it over here, and I'm going to run through that, tell you the quantities that we're using and how much this has all cost. To begin with, we have 150 grams of plain flour, and that cost me 8 pence. We got 1 teaspoon of baking powder, which cost 3 pence. We got a pinch of salt. We got 150 grams of sugar at 18 pence. We've got 170 grams of butter at £1.17. We've got 3 eggs at 42 pence. We got 40 ml of whole milk at about 3 pence, and we've got 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is 12 pence. If we put all of that together, the entire cost of this cake is £2 and 3 pence. We're going to get 8 really nice slices out of that, making each slice of this marvellous pound cake only 25 pence. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is combine the dry ingredients, and that's the flour, a good pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of this baking powder. Very good. Now, we just want to bring that together, make sure the baking powder is distributed well throughout the flour, and then we can set this aside and get on with the wet ingredients. That will do it. Now I'm going to beat all this together with this hand whisk, and so the first thing we want is to get the butter into this jug. Now this has been softened, it's been sitting close to the hob for a little while, and it's softened up, so that should work just fine. Struggle if it's too hard, you see, the butter. Right, that is nicely loosened, and now what I'm going to do is add the sugar to that. And we want to beat these together until it becomes a nice creamy sort of mixture. And there we go, just a couple of minutes later, that's nicely creamed together. Now we want to get the eggs in there. We are using 3 eggs here, and what I'm going to do is just put them in one at a time and beat them in individually, sort of thing. So there's the first one. And the second one. Okay, and that's the 3 eggs beaten into that. That's all looking good. Scraped away from the sides. That is looking beautiful. And that is ready to go. Now, all we want to do is combine all of this. So we've got our dry ingredients in there. I'm just going to get this batter into the bowl. Scrape that all out with the spatula. Looking good. To that, I'm now going to add the vanilla extract. A teaspoon of that. And to that, we are going to add the 40 ml of whole milk. Right. Now all we want to do is fold this into itself until we pick up all of the dry flour from the bowl, and that will be the cake batter made. How simple is that? This is a really simple cake to make. If you need a cake in a hurry, make one of these. They're absolutely delicious, very simple, very basic ingredients, and a very basic procedure. Right, that's it there. Just a couple of minutes for that. Just make sure we get right down to the bottom of the bowl and any dry flour that may still be there. That is looking good. Now I'm going to bake this in this 2 pound loaf tin, and I'm just going to give that a good greasing first. This is just lard I'm using here to grease it with. Make sure I've got a good coating of that on all sides. Very good. And now I have a piece of greaseproof paper, which I'm going to put in the bottom of there, and that's going to hang over the sides just a little bit, like that, and that's going to make it real easy to pick the cake up once it is baked. There we are. Now, next thing is to just get that cake batter into that tin. Make sure we get all of that out of the bowl. Very good. Rightio, that's it. That is now ready to go. And that's taken all of 5 minutes to put together. But this is going to go into an oven at 170 degrees centigrade. And it's going to stay there between 40 and 45 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on it. I'll take a look at it at about 35, 40. Give it the skewer test, see how we're doing. And when that skewer's coming out clean, the cake is ready. Okay, into the oven. Okay, and just on 40 minutes later, the cake is out of the oven. It's coming out nice and clean in the skewer. That is done to a turn. I'm going to let that cool down just a little bit. I'm going to take a slice off and we're going to take a taste. Pound cake. What a very simple cake to make. And look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. Nice and spongy inside. A little bit crispy around the sides, but this is okay. And I'm just serving this with some double cream. I'm going to take a slice off that. I'm going to take a little bit of cream on my fork. That is superb. Considering the amount of time that took to make and the very basic ingredients, that is a delicious piece of cake. And as I say, very inexpensive. £2, 3p for the whole cake. This slice of cake, 25p. And there's many serving suggestions you could do with this. You could cut it in half and make a sandwich out of it. You could put jam in the middle, a layer of cream in the middle. You could put icing on top. You could serve it with berries. Many different ways to serve this cake. I do just like it plain with a little cream. Absolutely delicious on its own, but also extremely versatile as well. So there it is. That's how easy it is to make a pound cake. I do hope you give the recipe a try. And can I say, if you've enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, making very simple dishes, very inexpensive, always absolutely delicious, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. In the meantime, I'm going to finish off this slice of cake, and I thank you very much for watching. Delicious.